Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the market opening, we saw that dollar index is trying to recover. Yes, we can see the dollar index has entered the resistance zone also. So let's try to understand step by step. So first of all, market at the time of closing, dollar index was under selling pressure. Dollar index, US dollar index or DXY broke the important range of 107.35 on the upside and 105.50. 105.50 was the support, and finally market broke the support here. But right after the market opening, we can see that DXY is trying to recover, and right now it has entered the previous support zone here, and the previous support zone will be acting as the new resistance. And as we all know that there is not much volatility in the market, probably you can also see it clearly on the screen. So more or less we can expect that the volatility will remain the same, and the reason is tomorrow's speech by the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. And before an event like this, market doesn't show much volatility and craziness. Market prefers to stay silent. So today during the day, observe the market around this area, because this is the first resistance. If market reverses, you will get the confirmation that okay, sellers are present here and dollar index will be going down. But during the European session, if market gains momentum and if you see that the retracement is continuing, or if you see further recovery on the chart of DXY, then your next resistance will be around 106 level. Okay, 106 level. Let me show you why. You can see here around 106, we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support will also be acting as resistance. So the first resistance is around 105.50 to 60, the previous support level, and the second resistance is around 106, which is FIBO 50% retracement level. And I think the dollar index will try to recover further because of this gap here. You can see we have a clear gap here, and market doesn't like gaps. If you have experience of the stock market, then probably you're familiar with gaps, gap up and gap downs, and you must be knowing very well that market is not a fan of gap ups or gap downs or any sort of gaps. Market usually fills gap. So there is a possibility that in the coming days market will try to fill this gap as well. But today, as we have not much volatility, so we can expect that these two levels will pose as the resistance for the market, 105.5060 and 106 level. Now let's look at a chart of Euro USD. So this is a chart of Euro dollar, and as expected, Euro USD tried to recover. Sorry, tried to continue the upside, and right now we can see that Euro USD is showing correction. So today we need to observe Euro USD around the first support, which is 1.0700 to 1.0690. We have previous price rejection around this area, as well as we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. If the volatility of the market is not very high, then we can expect that market will try to give us a bounce here. If not a complete trend reversal, at least day traders can look for a bounce. If market bounces from here, 25 to 30 pips is also decent enough. And the second support is around 1.0660. FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and you can see the previous resistance will also be acting as support here. So in the situation, getting a retracement or bounce at retracement is a good trading opportunity for day traders. If you're a swing trader and if you already have any position, you can be on the trade. But for day traders, yes, these are the two trading opportunities that I think that you can consider. So as we can see, the market is going for retracement. We can look for buy at retracement considering the present market sentiment here. On the other hand, if you look at a chart of GBPUSD, we can see a similar market scenario. Okay, so you can already see that GBPUSD has entered the support zone here, 1.2335 to 1.2310. This is a weak support zone. Only we have previous resistance working as support, but you can see the selling pressure is high right now. So do not take any buy position. So there will be multiple levels on every chart, but you cannot place trades on each and every level. You need to have the confirmation first. How to have the confirmation, my dear friends? You simply need to switch to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes. Okay, once you will switch to a lower time frame, observe the market behavior. If you see the market is reversing in the lower time frame, then you can go for a buy position. See, analysis should always be on higher time frame for stability. But yes, for entry purpose, for precise entry, you should always look at a lower time frame. Okay. So though market has entered the support zone right now, but it is a weak level. So yes, you need to wait a little longer so that you can understand that whether market will be taking support or not. Personally, I prefer to take position on GBPUSD at FIBO 50% retracement or 61.8 only. Probably you have also heard me saying many times that when it comes to GBP USD, FIBO 50 and FIBO 61.8 are better levels. So in this case today, okay, if GBP USD shows further correction, I will be looking for buy position around 1.2250, where we have FIBO 50% retracement level. You can also see that before FIBO 50, we also have FIBO 38.2 as well. But as I said, personal experience, personal choice is a different thing. So yes, if you want to look for some buy position on the 1.2290 because of FIBO 50 and previous resistance working as support, that's your personal choice. You can go for it. But as I said, okay, I prefer to grab a buy at FIBO 50 and 61.8% retracement only. So if market takes support and bounces, yes, we can go for a buy position. So let's wait and watch. Right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session. I don't think so we will get a clear picture right now. So let's wait and watch how the market performs and reacts in the European session. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, follow proper risk management, and that's it. Take care. Bye.